So here we go. We put our white printed page in. Into our tea and coffee solution, which is hopefully cold by now. So we're going to leave that soak for about 5 minutes. Okay, so that's 5 minutes. So now we're going to sort of crumple it up, okay, as if it was an exam paper that you didn't like. Sort of thing I used to do at school. So this I do really well, you see. So you gotta insist on certain parts a little more to give it, don't make it too uniform. That might look a little odd. So you do that all over the place, so you got a more or less Okay, so now we turn it over and repeat the process, but a little more delicately, because otherwise the tea doesn't soak into the paper on both sides. Okay, so that should do it. The more you do, of course, the faster you'll do this, but this is so you can see. Now try and straighten it out just a little. Otherwise it's going to look like a used handkerchief when it comes out the oven. Okay, so now we're going to leave that another 5 minutes, but you can leave it a little less if you want it less tinted. That's up to you to see. So, all we got left now is the oven in a few minutes. Okay, that should be okay now. So, you drain it off a little. Okay, now everyone might have a different way of doing this, but to get off the last drops, I sort of just make it stick to the side of the sink, and it pulls off most of the residue at the bottom of the paper. And you really must get as much possible off without actually wiping it. If you wipe it, you're going to take some of the yellow off. So just try and drain it well, otherwise it's going to give you spots underneath when you put it on the paper, on the cooking paper. So here we go for the oven. Okay, so we're at 80 degrees centigrade. That's not too hot, so quite good temperature. You don't burn yourself if you touch the oven, and it's hot enough to dry it within a few minutes. So make sure it's flat. This is a little difficult with A3 paper, which I've got. But anyway, that's okay. So that will be probably about 4 or 5 minutes. This is an oven with hot air inside, so it's a little faster. But just keep an eye on it. Certainly don't let it start curling up or burn. So just the first ones you keep an eye on, and you'll get a hang of how much time you'll need. So we'll wait for that to cook. So one more thing, after about sort of 2 minutes, sort of rub it on the paper a bit to avoid getting the spots underneath, which sometimes sort of develop since it's much wetter. So turn it over. The other side is almost dry. So that's okay, I got no spots. Another 2 minutes and that should be okay. So sort of do it each side 2 or 3 minutes. That should do. So that should do. It's almost a little too dry actually. It's better just keep it a little moist so that afterwards you can put it under a, compress it with some books or something, and it will make it slightly flatter. It will make it slightly flatter. But as you can see, it's worked well. It's good. It's not too dark. I'm pleased with this. So now all we got to do is flatten it.